Welcome back to Torque Vista, your ultimate destination for high-octane performance, cutting-edge design, and the future of automotive excellence. Today, we dive deep into the blistering 2026 Lamborghini Temerario, a bold new hybrid supercar that replaces the legendary Huracán and pushes the Santata legacy into a new era. Beneath the sleek, wedge-shaped body lies a 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine, mounted in a hot V configuration that screams to 10,000 revolutions per minute. This beast alone generates 789 horsepower, but when paired with 3 electric motors, the combined output rockets to an astonishing 907 horsepower and 590 pound-feet of torque. The setup includes one motor on the rear axle and 2 on the front, enabling all-wheel drive and seamless torque vectoring that drastically sharpens cornering. The lightweight 3.8 kWh battery offers limited EV-only range, but its main job is delivering instant torque and filling power gaps for brutal acceleration. From 0 to 60 miles per hour, the Temerario launches in just 2.5 seconds and continues to a top speed over 210 miles per hour. Its aluminum spaceframe chassis provides increased torsional rigidity and more interior room than the Huracán, offering 34 mm more headroom and 46 mm more legroom. Inside, Lamborghini blends digital luxury with fighter jet aggression. A 12.3-inch digital driver display, an 8.4-inch center infotainment screen, and a 9.1-inch passenger display dominate the minimalist yet aggressive cockpit, all wrapped in Alcantara and carbon fiber. Drive modes include Casa, Strada, and a new electric-only city mode, allowing you to unleash or tame the car at will. For track warriors, the optional Allegrita package shaves 55 pounds off the curb weight and adds carbon fiber aero enhancements, forged wheels, and a fixed rear wing for 50% more downforce. Every line, vent, and diffuser on the exterior has been engineered for performance, resulting in a car that not only looks savage but is also optimized for airflow and thermal efficiency. The signature Y-shaped LED lighting, gaping front intakes, and aggressive rear diffuser give the Temerario a stance that's unmistakably Lamborghini. Starting at $386,000, this car doesn't just replace the Huracán, it redefines what a modern supercar can be. That's all for today's detailed breakdown of the 2026 Lamborghini Temerario. For more electrifying updates on supercars, hypercars, and future machines, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. This is Torque Vista, where power meets precision.